Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a vibrant dot mandala on this 14-inch MDF board. I'll start dotting in the center in red. I'll keep some dots in teal. This is one of the pastel shades from Flash. I'll keep some tiny dots in teal now. I'll keep some dots in yellow. This particular shade, this is also a pastel shade from Flash and they have named it as Tucson Sun. But to me this looks like an yellow, so let me simplify the color name. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some plumpy dots in red. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some teal dots now. I'll walk the dots in teal. I'll keep some dots in Tucson Sun. I'll walk the dots in the same color now. I'll keep some brush strokes in red now. Now I'll keep some brush strokes in teal. I'll keep some brush strokes in this yellow, that is Tucson Sun. I'll keep some teal dots now. Some more teal dots now. I'll work the dots in teal now. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in red. I'll keep some dots in teal. I'll keep tiny dots in teal now. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some dots in teal. I'll work the dots in teal. I'll keep yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in red now. I'll keep some brush strokes in teal. Now some more brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some teal dots now. Some more teal dots now. I'll work the dots in teal. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep two side swipes in teal. Now two more side swipes in Tux and Sun. That's yellow. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.